What's up? Rajnikant this side. I wanted to share an update with you. Uh, and the update is regarding a contest conducted by Mr. Saurabh Bhatnagar and team. So this contest was started last week. There were around 870 people, 870 participants in this contest. The contest entry fee was 240, maybe 249, maybe. Yes, that was the registration amount to get entered in that contest. After the registration, the contest was conducted in 4 rounds. All the participants required to attend the first round to enter the second, and similarly the third and fourth. That's how this contest was going on. And I was one of the participants. uh, in the first round it was like 70 questions, 20 seconds for each question. All the questions were MCQ types, multiple choice questions, and 200 participants were shortlisted for the second round. In the second round there was um, I think 28 subjective questions. Yeah, subjective questions. You need to type. You need to type all the answers in the answer box. It was not like um, MCQ type. So also we had limited time, approx 60 seconds to 2 minutes. That's all. Maximum 2 minutes. There were some questions having 2.5 minutes. Both these uh, rounds were conducted online, and after second round, 50 50 candidates were shortlisted for the further rounds. In the third round, there was an assignment, and based on psychology, consumer behavior, and conversions. And after third round, there were 16 participants left. Actually, it was supposed to select 10 people out of 50, but due to their talent and their work, they decided that they are going to select all the 16 people. I mean, not all, but 16 people at least. And after that, finally, another assignment was given, again based on psychology, offer creation, sales psychology, consumer behavior, copywriting, and conversions. So all these things were mixed in that particular round. So after completion of this round, three winners have has been selected, and congratulations to all of you that I am the person that won this contest, secured the first position. So thank you so much. That's what I wanted to share. See you. Bye bye.